guys, it's me, Mercy. Welcome back to my channel and happy Halloween. So this is the promised Halloween makeup video that I said I would give you guys. And if you haven't already guessed it, I am the amazingly spunky little troublemaker, Miss Harley Quinn. Yeah. And one quick reminder before we jump into the video. My get to know me video is coming up, so I do want some questions for you guys. And like I said in my last video, I will be answering all reasonable and appropriate questions. So please keep that in mind when you send those questions in, because I don't want anyone's questions to be ignored. And once again, you can leave those questions under any of my videos. Send them to me on social media. Literally any way that I will receive a question, you can send it to me that way. So let's get to it. So you guys already know I like doing my brows off camera, and if this is your first time watching one of my videos, I bake before my foundation because I find out like this baking process is able to absorb a lot more oil if I do it before my foundation. And also I don't like having as much product on my face like once I actually get my makeup started, so this is to restrict that. So I'm prepping my eyes with Wet n Wild concealer. This is in shade 842B. So I will continue with the alternating red and black that has been going up my outfit. So starting with my red eye. Not really doing anything special, literally just packing on any and all red eyeshadows that I have. This first shade, is from my Magic palette by Juvia's Place. I don't think I had my Juvia's Place palettes during Halloween last year, because I don't remember my red being as vivid as it is now. Yeah, so now I'm just buffing out the edges. So that is my red eye. And for my black eye, I will be using this palette that I have. Not sure when I got it, but I've definitely had it for years, so. Now to buff out that edge. What I'm doing to make the edge not as intense is just layering some brown on it. So when I was Harley Quinn last year, I spiced up this look a little bit by putting on some glitter. Not sure where I got the glitter from. That will be in the description box. But yeah, and I also don't have any lash glue. I don't have any glitter glue. So what I use instead as an adhesive, instead of just like putting the glitter on top of the eyeshadow, need something to make the eyeshadow a little more tacky. So what I do instead is use lipstick. And the glitter will solely be going on my lid, which is where I am focusing on applying the lipstick. I honestly hate this process just because of how messy glitter is. So that is packed with glitter. There wasn't any black glitter in this set, so what I use is the silver glitter. So since that is silver and not black, what I do is with my black eyeshadow, just try to change the color of the glitter. But foundation. Do y'all see how well this matches my skin? Like, Rihanna did her thing. So next I'll be going over my foundation with my Maybelline Fit Me Pressed Powder in shade 360. But next is my highlight. I'm using LA Girl Pro Concealer in Beautiful Bronze. This is what I meant by I like pressing it in after my foundation is applied. Yeah, I'll just tap off any and all excess and really press it in there. And this is also to avoid having such a yellow tint on my face, since you know, the Buttercup setting powder is yellow, and it's not like I'm light skin or anything, like, no. So while that is doing its thing, I'm gonna move on to my contour, and I'm combining my black Radiance pressed powder and my Aesthetica contour palette. Pressed powder is in shade 86113. Wow, 113, 8613. 8613. And I use this one for my nose. So now with my Aesthetica palette, I just use this to go over my cheek and forehead contour. You know, really make sure that cheekbone is popping. That is that. So what I do now, I go back to my Maybelline Fit Me Pressed Powder. Next is my blush, my Wet n Wild blush that is still broken. my Wet n Wild highlighter. Now I just, wow. Okay. So, going back to my eyes. You can obviously tell that you can't really see the red that well. So, I'm gonna take some brown and darken it up a little bit. Brown and black. And to have this not be as dark as it is, I brighten it up a little bit with some brown. Little Harley Quinn details. With my eyeliner, I'm gonna attempt to draw a heart on this side of my face. Or no, I'm gonna do the diamonds that are on my pants. So those are my diamonds. I want to do a heart on this side. How is it I can draw a bomb heart with eyeliner, liquid eyeliner at that, but then my pencil hearts be trash? That's my heart. Okay, so last but not least is my lipstick. No, it's Harley Quinn. You don't need to have perfect lipstick, so instead of messing up my hands, what I'm gonna do is smudge it out a little bit. So I definitely forgot about mascara. My Bare Minerals mascara. Maybelline Falsies Push-Up Drama. So before I close off, I wanted to remind you guys about my Get to Know Me video once again. And with that, my goal is to answer questions that you guys personally want to know. And the only way I can do that is to actually be receiving questions from you guys. So please be sending me questions. Like leave them under the comments of any of my videos. Send them in my DMs on social media. You can literally send me an email, but I just need questions from you guys. And once again, I am reiterating that I will be answering all appropriate questions. So please don't have your questions ignored by ignoring what I'm saying right now. All appropriate questions. But that is all, you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Once again, have a fun and safe Halloween, and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share, and I'll see you guys soon.